Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to No Traction Media. We're spinning it, winning, and tires are expensive. So today we're going to go over how to install a Sport Plus option and if it's even worth it for your A90 Supras or Z4s. So let's get right into it.
All right, so what we're here doing our Beamer code with is this OBD Link MX Plus, and you can also do I think it's a CX. Both of them work. We've tried this one on my car before and it works, and also seen other videos out there that are the CX or the C Plus. But either one, they're very cheap. You can find them online anywheres. Amazon, Thick Whips, he has them on his page as well. But yeah, this is what we're going to be using, and with this you can but you can mess with just about anything in a computer. From Sport Plus, you can change the brightness of the headlights, like the seat heater temperature. You can change like the display on the head unit. There's just literally anything you can do with them. All right, so here you'll see that I'm going into Bluetooth, and it's already connected right there. And then go over here to Beamer code, and you can download this app. It's free to download, and then once you get in there, it's gonna be like a $32 charge to unlock everything. And what you're gonna do here is just go into connect. And I have Z4. You can also do Toyota Supra as well. Both of them have different functions, and you can go into either one and see what's updated, see what's not. So we're gonna hit that, and you're gonna see here it's gonna take a little bit to load every time that you if you choose like the head unit or whatever, it's gonna take a little bit to load. All right, so here we are. Like I said, you can go into like head unit, instrument cluster, seat module. Here we're gonna go into, for the Sport Plus, you're gonna go into body domain. And like I said, you're gonna wait.
Again.
Load it up right here. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is go into expert mode down here. Okay. Yeah, so the code that you're gonna be looking for is 3221. It's going to be this PF Festmaster. I don't know what that means, but yep. Then you're going to scroll down here and find Sport World Mode 1. And I already have it checked off because I've already done this, but normally it'll have it set to non-sport right there. You can go to Sport Expert and Extra Boost. We actually did the Extra Boost a couple days ago, and I just didn't like how it felt. It gave it some boost lag and made it like real jerky, and when you let off, it would like throw you like in the dash, and it didn't feel too good in the rear end. So I didn't really like that too much, but it did up the shifts and made it more aggressive and made the throttle more
Responsive.
Response.
As we will give y'all a demonstration here in a little bit.
Yeah, definitely feels like it's going fast. So what you're gonna do, hit the Sport Expert, and then you're gonna go back, and actually, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the Extra Boost one so you can see how it goes. You're gonna go up here to code and start coding, and it's gonna take a quick second. By quick second, I mean like 5 minutes, but you'll be all right. Yeah, coding successful. Controlling completely successful.
Cool. So that's the first part.
Yep, there's the first part, and then you're gonna have to go press back, and then you're gonna go to head unit.
Okay, cool. And you're going to go to
ringtone.
Expert.
What is ringtone? Shit, I guess they sound like a Tesla. What the fuck is not like? Oh, Sport Expert.
Or expert, and it's gonna be on not active, and you want to put it on active.
Hopefully you can read German.
Yep. Back, and then you get here, you press code again. Obviously we don't have to do that because it's already active. You press code, it will load everything again just like how it just did, and then control units, and you're done. So after it's done coding and loading up, Once it's done coding, you're gonna go into here, go all the way to my vehicle, go to vehicles or up vehicle settings. You're gonna go down to configure sport individual, and then down here you would see an engine. You'll have a Sport Plus option, and your transmission as well, Sport Plus. It doesn't have any for steering or dampening. It's just the engine and transmission. Transmission for quicker shifts, engine throttle response. Not too sure how dominant it is, but that's what it's for. So you got it in this mode, and all you gotta do is to go rip.
Yeah.
So we're in extra boost mode right now in the Sport Plus option.
So you could definitely tell a difference. It's not like huge whatsoever, but like there's definitely a difference in it, and like I don't really have anything to tell me how much of a difference, but it gives a little more sprinkle to it.
Calling out all Hellcats. It really is. Y'all have no idea.
It think fat their butt, boy.
Alright, so we just recoded it to Sport Plus instead of extra boost. So we're about to go do a little pull on the highway and just kind of log both differences and go from there.
Do a little 40 roll.
Feels a lot better on diesel.
Yeah, it's just a lot smoother. Like it's still aggressive, and you can definitely tell a difference in like the throttle sensitivity and like the shifts, but like it's not as jerky. It doesn't feel horrible on the rear end like extra boost does. Why is this dude flashing at me every time I floor it?
So, popular opinion, Sport Plus outweighs extra boost by a lot, because not only do you not have boost lag like you would in extra boost, it just feels a lot more smooth, and the decel definitely isn't anywhere as jerky, and I definitely would feel more safe with Sport Plus.
Yeah, I would too.
Just for like the car reliability standpoint and like life of it, you know.
Oh, same for that.
And on that bombshell right there, I think today's video is effectively over. Quote the strap man. Thank you for that outro. I mean, you know, it's over.
Work for him.
I mean, it works for him, you know. At least I quoted him, you know.
It's over.
Link in the bio down below, Strad man. Go check out his stuff. I'm sure you have.
God damn.
That was aggressive.
Dude,
All right.
I ain't felt like that in a while. That's with the AC on too.
Damn.
That's like 3 horsepower.
With the AC, my guy.
That's a lot
All right.
of horsepower in a 4-banger, but I didn't know.
With that being said, y'all, we will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully it's on the Beamer. Not this Beamer, but the other real Beamer. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Peace.